Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make yoga more challenging. To begin, ensure you have a solid understanding of fundamental yoga poses. This foundational knowledge is crucial before attempting more difficult variations. We'll then explore methods to gradually intensify your practice, focusing on mindful progression. Remember, consistency and patience are key as you advance your yoga journey. To build strength and balance, integrate specific drills into your routine. Focus on poses that challenge your stability, such as one-legged balances, holding them for 20 to 30 seconds initially. Actively engage your core throughout your practice. This is vital for stability and power. Gradually extend the time you hold challenging poses like planks or arm balances, aiming for 5 to 10 additional seconds each week. Once you've built a strong base, begin to incorporate more advanced poses. Start with inversions, perhaps using a wall for support, and gradually work towards holding them independently for 10 to 15 seconds. Experiment with deeper backbends and intricate twists, always moving slowly and mindfully. Focus on smooth transitions between these challenging postures, which enhances both strength and fluidity in your practice. Consistent practice is paramount for making yoga harder. Aim for at least 3 to 5 sessions each week, even if they are shorter. Hydration and proper nutrition also play a significant role in your physical capacity and recovery. Integrate breathwork, or pranayama, to enhance focus and deepen your connection to each pose. Remember to be patient with yourself and celebrate every small improvement along your path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.